You're trying to rank locally for a service that you provide or a product that you sell, and you want to rank in a local area for that, there's a trick that you absolutely need to know because it's what all the businesses that actually rank in the top results are doing to make sure that their website shows up. And here's how it works. I just search pet grooming near me, right? So pretend that's the service or the thing that you want to rank for locally. Anything you care about for your business that somebody might type near me at the end of it. So whether you offer a service, whether you're selling a product locally, whether you host a local event, and you do it near me, think of that search. Now, if you want to come up for that search, which is what people search all the time, here's what you need to do. If you'll notice in these search results, so all these websites here, what do you notice is happening? What do you see in all of these search results? And it's actually in every single website that's listed except for one. There's a simple trick that they're doing. I'm going to show you how to do it in WordPress right after this, that is making their websites come up as opposed to the websites that don't show up here on the first page. What is it? They're all putting in their title tag. That's just a fancy word. I'm going to show you where that is. They're putting Denver, Colorado in it. So you can see in their website title tag, that's why it says Denver, Colorado here. That's why it says Denver, Colorado. Google's not making that up. That is what they wrote as the title for their page. They put Denver, Colorado, Denver, Colorado, Denver, Colorado. This one didn't, but they do have it in their meta description. I'll show you that too. Denver, Colorado, Denver, Colorado, Denver, Colorado, Denver, right? So in order to show up for this search, they're putting in their title tag on their web page the name of the town that they want to rank for. So if I go over here to WordPress, and I'm just going to show you, let's just say I wanted to come up for grooming services. I would put grooming services, and then I would put in Denver, Colorado. Now I would make sure that becomes the title of my page. So you can see over here, now if you're using Yoast, the plugin that's for SEO, you can see what the title tag is going to look like. So you can see now it's going to show for my website, grooming services in Denver, Colorado. That's where that title tag is going to come from that shows up right here. And you can see they put that into their sites so that it helps them rank in their local area. And that's what you should do too, is in your title tag, which is the title, include the location you're trying to rank for that thing for, right? That's going to help you rank locally. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. I'm always sharing tips to help you boost your visibility, especially with local SEO and all the local marketing tips to grow your business. We'll catch you in the next video.